Welcome to Homework Lib.
To determine the probability that a particle size lies within 9.75 and 10.2 nanometers, we need to calculate the z-scores for these values and then find the area under the standard normal distribution curve between these z-scores. So the formula for calculating the z-score is going to be x minus the mean over the standard deviation. And so the mean needs to be calculated, and we'll use the sample mean 10.09 and we're first going to get a z-score for 9.75. And the sample standard deviation 0.42, and that is about negative 0.81, and the second z-score for 10.2 is about 0.26. And so the probability that x is between 9.75 and 10.2 is the same as the probability that z is between negative 0.81 and 0.26, which to three significant figures comes out to 0.395. And then, or we could say that's 39.5%. For part B, to find the 90% confidence interval, because this is a small sample size, we're going to use the t distribution. And so the confidence interval is the sample mean plus or minus the critical t times the sample standard deviation over the square root of the sample size. So if n is 14, the degrees of freedom is 13, and if alpha is 0.10 because the confidence is 90%, then our critical t can be looked up. And that's 1.7709. And so our sample mean plus or minus our critical t times our sample standard deviation over the square root of our sample size. Our lower boundary would be from subtracting and that would be 9.895, or we'll say 9.90, to an upper boundary from adding 10.3.